Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Word and locating the text you want to change. Select the word or phrase with your cursor. You can click drag or double-click a word. Make sure you have editing permissions and turn off track changes to avoid extra markup. Once done, look to the home ribbon so you're ready for the next tool. This first step gets you directly into the selection context, which is crucial because the background formatting only applies to highlighted text, not the whole page. You now choose how to apply background color, highlighting, or shading. For fast, bright marks use Home Text Highlight Color. Click to apply or click the arrow to pick a shade. For a consistent background behind a paragraph, use Home Shading in the paragraph group. It adds color without the marker look. If you need exact color, open More Colors and enter RGB or HEX values. Once you pick a color, click the selection so Word applies it visibly, and you finish by confirming the look in print layout to see final output. Make sure spacing and wrapping still read well. To remove a background, select the text and choose Clear Formatting or set Highlight/Shading to No Color. If the chosen color doesn't appear, check for conflicting styles or document themes that override shading. Make sure accessibility options aren't forcing high contrast. One troubleshooting tip: save a copy and toggle themes. Often the theme palette is the reason your custom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.